Did you know the world's oldest story reveals the secret to immortality that most people miss? 4,000 years ago, Gilgamesh was the most powerful king on Earth. When his best friend Enkidu died, he became obsessed with living forever. He spent years searching for the secret to eternal life. Finally, the wise man Utnapishtim gave him a magical plant that could restore youth. Gilgamesh was overjoyed. He had conquered death itself, but while bathing in a lake, a serpent stole the plant and slithered away. Everything was lost, or was it? In that moment, Gilgamesh realized something profound. True immortality isn't about living forever, it's about the impact you leave behind. Your wisdom, your good deeds, the lives you touch. Accepting mortality gives life meaning and urgency. Today we still fear being forgotten, but the lesson remains the same. Your legacy lives through what you give to others.